Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to upload music to SoundCloud. Uploading your music to SoundCloud allows you to share your tracks with a wide audience and showcase your creativity online. Whether you are an aspiring artist or just sharing for fun, SoundCloud provides an easy way to publish your audio files. Here's a step-by-step guide to uploading your music. First, open your browser and use the search bar to search for SoundCloud. It will show you various websites as a search result. Now, visit the first website as shown here. By reaching the website, you accept all the cookies. If you do not have an account, click on Create Account at the top. After that, click on Continue with Google. Here, choose your Google account. Following that, allow Google to access your information by clicking on Continue. You can tell about yourself in the given area. Enter your name, age, and gender. Hit the Continue button, and it will take you to the home page. On the top, click on Upload. Then, you can upload your audio files here. To upload the audio file, click on Choose Files. To upload your first track, choose your plan. The Artist plan costs $3.25. The Artist Pro plan costs $8.25. If you want to continue without a paid plan, it will give you the button at the bottom. By clicking on it, choose the audio file from your files. Now, you will see the name of your file. You can choose the genre and enter any tags. Enter your description and mark your track privacy. Lastly, hit the upload button to upload music to SoundCloud. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.